So I like watching sirens from the car and from the train. But today we're going to do something different. We are going to watch sirens in real life. So today we are having a second siren compilation. But this time we're not in New Jersey. We're in Whelen. Now here we have a special siren. And it's going to be over this bridge. So let's see it. So first we have this horn. I think it's part of the select tone system. Now let's see. Oh, and this is, what's this used for?
This is a drawbridge, right?
Yeah, so it's probably for like the ships things. Let's go see the next select tone system siren. Oh, just kidding, my mistake. That's actually a diaphone up there. So on this side we have another diaphone and part of the select tone system. These are all sort of acting like diaphones too. Now, I did not notice that there's another siren right here somewhere. So let's go see it. So here is the next siren. Now, we don't exactly know what model this is because we didn't know it was here and we didn't do enough research on it. But it's just here to maybe like warn you of a tornado or something. So now this siren could be the ACA P50 or it could be like the 2001 model or something. So to get you a better view of the select tones and the diaphone, here we have the select tone, and let's go see the diaphone. Look right here. Here's another one. So this siren is actually called the adaptotone. So here's the diaphone. Let's go over here. And up there. And here's the view.
You can see two of them.
Oh yes, right. There are two diaphones. Now let's go see the next siren. Now up here there is a Thunderbolt, but you can't see it very well, so I'll promise you that we'll get a better view of the Thunderbolt. Now at this fire station there was supposed to be a Model 2 siren. To inform you about that. That looks like the Model 5 and the Model 7 from last video. Now this is the motor to a siren. So maybe it's just a motor to the Model 2 or I don't know what it is, but it's definitely a motor to some siren. See ya. Let's go see the next siren. So I think here we have some SSTMVs, and they have these at fire stations sometimes. We are at a fire station right now where we thought the Model 2 would be, but now let's go see the next one. So here is a better view of the Thunderbolt siren. They test this siren on every Monday of the week. Here's just like another firehouse. They have sirens at a lot of firehouses. So tell me if you hear the Thunderbolt siren. Now we have a rear siren. It is a GCS Model 2. Now the GCS sirens are another company that makes sirens. And the GCS Model 2 is a rare siren. It's a pretty rare siren because I was looking on the GCS siren map and I did not see any GCS Model 2s. So tell me if you see this because this will be really cool. Here we have another Whelen WPS 2905. This one is from the Southern Connecticut State University, and it is 2805. Let's go and get a closer look. This thing is cool. It says Whelen in brighter letters. Wow. Tell me if you see something like this, guys. Here is the Whelen WPS 2905. It is here at this like performing arts thing, and just in the middle of nowhere, sort of. Here's one more Whelen WPS 2905. 2750. We are in Milford, Connecticut right now. Now, you're probably like, oh yeah, I remember. This is a Model 7 siren. Actually, there are some other sirens that look like Model 7s. This is a Model 5 siren. Now, we are at a fire company. I know, they always have sirens at fire companies. So, tell me if you see a Model 5. See ya! To end this video of amazing sirens in New Haven, I'm going to show you the Whelen WPS 3000. Let's cross the road to show everybody. Okay, so here it is. It even says Whelen. Wow, there it is. See you in the next video, dudes. Thank you for watching this siren compilation. Make sure to like and subscribe and keep posted on Phenomenation.